Shanti. Hi guys, this is Hemant Gupta. Welcome to our channel Golden Collection. Well, today we all of us know about a little idea about market value of Iran country coins. If you come first time on this channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon button to never miss the new video update. Before start the video, we clear that we don't buy or sell coins now. If you want to buy or sell coin and currency, please go to the coin and currency exhibition fair. Show that best option for collectors and seller to buy or sell coin and currency there. And you also get good knowledge about coin and currency there. Let's start the today video. Friends, I will not take any guarantee that the prices are absolutely correct or not there. Friend, the map of Iran here, the Islamic Republic of Iran, located between the Caspian Sea and the Persian Gulf in the southwestern Asia, has an area of 6,36,296 square mile and a population of 59.7 million. Capital Tehran. Although predominantly in an agriculture state, Iran depends heavily on oil for foreign exchange. Crude oil, carpets, and agriculture products are exported. And rulers are Qatar dynasty, Pahlavi dynasty, and Mint Marsal Tehar and Tiflis. And Mint Marsal, A for Eton, L for Leningrad. And monetary system are 50 dinar is equal to 1 shahi, 20 shahis is equal to 1 Quran, and 10 Qurans is equal to 1 Tuman. Note from AD 1830 to 34 to the gold Tuman was known as Keshwar Sitan. And 1932 date, SH 1310 date, 5 dinars is equal to 1 shahi, 20 shahis is equal to 1 riyal, and 10 riyals is equal to 1 tuman. There is also monetary system. 1000 dinars is equal to 20 shahis is equal to 1 Quran, and 10 Qurans is equal to 1 tuman. And this is the kingdom of Muzaffar al-Din Shah, age 1313 to 1324 or 1896 to 1907 AD. Built coinage. And these coins denominate 15 dinar, metal copper nickel, observe a legend within beaded circle with crown on top and reverse a radiant loin holding sword within breath. This coin was minted in AH 1318 to 1337. AH is Hijri era, which Muslim count the year. And this coin's mintage of coin is here, and the value of this coin in fine condition is $0.75, $1, $0.75, $4 of AH 1326, $1, $1.50. If you are collector, you get this coin at this value. If you are seller, you want to sell this coin, go exhibition, find dealers, and they take at coins at half price approximately. If coins value $0.75, they take at $0.20 to $0.30 because it will also earn some profit. That's why. Next coin is Shahi Safid. It's a white Shahi metal silver. This coin was minted in 1895 and the value of this coin in fine condition is $8. And next one is Shahi Safid, and this coin is minted in 1901 and value $50. If you have coin AH 1319, it's a rare coin, value not shown there. If you have this coin, you get good value. And next one is Shahi Safid, minted in 1903 and value of coin is $50. Next is 100 dinar coin. Is a two Shahi coins minted in AH 1318 to AH 1337 and the value of this coin is $2.50, $6, $0.75, $1.50, $1, $2. Different year, different value. Next is 1/4 Quran. It's a ruby is equal to 5 Shahis. Minted AH 1318 to AH 1319 and the value of this coin is $25 and $20. Next one, 500 dinars coins minted in 1895 ND and AH 1318 to AH 1322 and the value of this coin $10, $30, $20. Different year, different value. Next is 500 dinars coins minted in AH 1323 and the value of this coin is $20. And next one is 1000 dinar coins. These coins minted in AH 1318 to AH 1322 and the value of this coin is $100, $150, $100. Next is 1000 dinar coins mint in year 1323 and the value of this coin is $20. Next is 2000 dinars coin, it's a 2 crore and mint in year 1318 to year 1320 and the value of this coin is $10, $12. Next is 2000 dinars coin mint in year 1320 to year 1322 and the value of this coin $15, $18, $10. Different year, different value. Next is 2000 dinar coins mint in year 1323 to year 1323 and the value of this coin is $17, $65 and $49. Fine, $50. Note it's an error coin, I think. year 23 error coin, I think this one. That's a value good. Next is 5000 dinar coin 5 Quran mint in year 1322 and value of the coin $350. Next is 5000 dinars coins with a 5 Quran mint in year 1324 and the value of this coin is $1000. Good coin, good value. Next is 2000 Quran coins metal gold mint in year 1319 and the value of this coin is $200. Next one is 2 to 1 coin mint in year 1322 and the value of this coin is $300. Next is the Muhammad Ali Shah coins and is a Tehran coin, is a Shahi Sifit white Shahi mint in year 1325 to year 1327. The value of the coin $30, $25, $20. Next one Shahi Sifit mint in year 1326. Value of this coin is $60. Next is 1/4 Quran mint in year 1325 to year 1327. Value of this coin $30, $15, $10. Next is 500 dinars coin. This is 10 Shahis is equal to 1/2 Quran. And this coin was mint in year 1325 to year 1326 and the value of the coin $40, $50, $25, $35. And next one is 500 dinar coins mint in year 2627 and the value of this coin $40. Next is 1000 dinar coins mint in year 1325 to year 1326. Value of coin $150. Next is 1000 dinars coins mint in year 1326 to year 1327 and the value of coin is $55. Next is this 2000 dinar coins mint in year 1325 to year 1327. Value of coin $15, $10, $10. Next is 2000 dinar coins mint in year 1326. The value of this coin is $750. Next is 5000 dinar coins mint in year 1327. The value of the coin is $600. Next is this coin 5000 dinar coins mint in year 1324, year 1325. The value of this coin is $80, metal, gold. Next is 5000 dinar coins mint in year 1326 to year 1327. The value of coin $80, metal, gold. Next is Toman coin mint in year 1324 and the value of this coin is $150. So also Toman coin mint in year 1327 and the value of coin is $150. Next one is Sultan Ahmad Shah and this coin is Shahi Safir and mint in year 1328 to year 1330. The value of this coin is $5, $6, $4. Next is Shahi Safir coin mint in year 1332. The value of the coin $30. Next is Shahi Safir mint in year 1913 and the value of the coin $60. Next is Shahi Safir mint in year 1333 to year 1342. The value of this coin $5, $12, $8, $40, $8, $40, $12, $12. Different year, different value. Next is Shahi Safir mint in year 1335. The value of this coin $50. So 1/4 Quran coin mint in year 1327 to year 1331. Value of coin $5, $4, $12, $50, $4. Next is 1/4 Quran coin mint in 1999. Value of coin $45 and year 1327 value $65. Next one Riyaz Shah coins mill coinage year 1344 to 1360, 1995 to 1941 AD. And this coin 50 dinars mint in SH solar era. And this coin was mint in SH 1305 to 1307 metal copper nickel. The value of this coin $2.50. Next is 100 dinar coin, minted SS1305 to 1307, value of coin $2.50. Next is Tehran coin, minted SS1304, and the value of coin $20. Next is 500 dinar coins, minted SS1306 to 1308, and the value of this coin is $75, $10, $10. Next is 100 dinar coins, 1000 dinar coins, minted SS1304 to 1305, and the value of coin $10. Next is 1000 dinar coins, minted SS1305, value $10, 1306, value $10. Next is 1000 dinar coins, minted SS1307 to 1308, and the value of coin $10. Next is 2000 dinar coins, minted SS1306 to 1308, the value of this coin $10. And SH year is used in Afghanistan and Iran. And next one, 2000 dinar coins. This coin was minted in SH1306 and the value of coin $15, $10. And next is 5000 dinar coins, metal silver, minted in SH1304 to 1305 and the value of coin $25. Next is 5000 dinar coins, minted in 1305 to 1306, the value of coin $35. Next is 5000 dinar coins, minted in SH1306 to 1308, the value of this coin $24, $25. Next is Toman coin, minted in SH1305 and the value of this coin is $240, metal gold. Next is coin Pahlavi. This coin was minted SH1305, value of coin $150, metal gold. Next is Pahlavi coin, minted in SH1306 to 1308 and the value of this coin is $150. And 1308 I think mintage only 989 and value not shown there. Next is 2 Pahlavi coin and minted in SH1305 and this coin's value is $325. Next is 2 Pahlavi coin, minted in SH1306 to 1308, value of coin $175 to $10. Next is 5 Pahlavi coin, minted in SH1305, the value of the coin $600. Next one is 5 Pahlavi coins. This coin was minted in SH1306 to 1308 and this coin's value is $650, $800. Next is found coinage is 1/2 buses and this coin minted in SH1314 and this value is $5. Photo not shown there, but photo of this coin is here. This coin was minted in SH1314 to 1314, large 8, small 8. The value of the coin $5. It's a dinar coin minted in SH1310 and the value of this coin $30, metal bronze. And next is 2 dinar coins minted in SH1310, value of coin $15. Next is 5 dinar coins minted in SH1310 and the value of coin $15. And next one is 5 dinar coin minted in SH1315 to 1321 and value of coin $1, $0.40. And next coin is 10 dinars coin minted in SH1310, the value of coin is $15. Next is 10 dinars coin minted in SH1315 to 1321, the value of coin $150, $0.80, $0.40. Next is 25 dinar coin minted in SH1310, the value of coin is $20. Next is 25 dinar coins minted in SH1314, the value of coin $15. Next is 50 dinar coins minted in SH1315 to 1322, the value of coin $1.50, $1.25, $0.60, $3.50 and $2. Different year, different value. Next one is 50 dinar coin minted in SH3022 and SH3022 value of coin $1, $1.50. Next is 1/4 real minted in SH1315 and the value of coin is $1. This is 1/2 real coin minted in SH1310 to 1315, value of the coin $5 and 1311 year is rare, value $50. Another coin value $2, $3. Next is real coin minted in SH1310 to 1313, the value of the coin is $5. Next is 2 real coin minted in SH1310 to 1313 and the value coin $5. And next one is 5 real coin minted in SH1310 to 1330 and the value of coin is $15, metal silver. Next is 1/2 Pahlavi coin minted in SH1310 to 1315, the value of this coin $202, $202 Next one, Pahlavi coin, metal gold, minted SS 1310. The value of coin is $1,500. And next one is Muhammad Reza Pahlavi Shah. It's a 25 dinar coin, minted SS 1326 to 29. And the value of coin $20, $25. Next is 25 dinar coins, minted SS 3029, and the value of coin is $500. Rare coin. And next is 50 dinar coin, minted SS 3022 to 3036, and this coin's value $25, $0.75. This coin also minted SS 3042 to 3058, and the value of coin $0.60, $0.20, $5. And next one is Real coin, minted SS 3022 to 3030, and the value of coin $0.65, and $22 of 1326, and $1 1329 value also $32. Some here are rare, you note on copy, very good. And next one is Real coin, minted SS 3031 to 3026, 36, and the value coin $0.50, $1. Next one is Real coin. This coin was minted 1338 to 3054, and the value of this coin $0.10. Next was Real coin, minted SS 3050 to SS 3054. The value of coin $0.50. Next is Real coin, and this coin was minted MS 2535, and the value of coin $0.50. MS is a Norstic solar era, and this is also used in Iran. And next one is Real coin. This coin was minted MS 2536 to MS 2537, and this coin was value $0.50. Next is 2 Real coin, and this coin was metal silver and minted SS 1322 to SS 1330, and the value of coin $2.50, and SS 3029 value little bit rare, $35. Next is 2 Real coin, minted SS 3031 to SS 36, and the value of coin $0.50, and SS 36 value is $5. Next is 2 Real coin, minted SS 1338 to SS 1354, and the value of coin is $0.10, $0.15, $0.20, different year, different value. Next is 2 Real coin, minted MS 2535, and the value of coin $0.75. Next is 2 Real coin, minted MS 1326 to 2036 to SS 1357, the value coin $0.50, $1. Next is 5 Real coin, minted SS 1322 to SS 1329, the value of coin $2.75, $25. Next is 5 Real coin, minted SS 31 to 3036, and the value of coin $1.50, $1, $3. Next is 5 Real coin, minted SS 37 to SS 38, the value of coin $1, $0.50. Next is 5 Real coin, minted SS 38 to SS 1346, and the value of coin $0.25. And next one is 5 Real coin. This coin was minted SS 1347 to SS 1357. The value of coin $0.50, $0.25 in extremely fine condition. Next one 5 Real coin, minted MS 2535, and the value of coin $0.50. Next is 10 Real coin, minted SS 1323 to SS 3026. The value of this coin is $7.50, $5.50, $7.50. Next is 10 Real coin, minted SS 1333 to SS 1343, and the value of this coin is $0.50, $1, $0.50, $3, $0.50. Next is 10 Real coin, minted SS 1345 to SS 3052. The value of coin $0.50, $0.40. Next is 10 Real coin, metal copper nickel, minted SS 1348, and the value of $0.50. Next one is 10 Real coin. This coin was minted SS 1352 to SS 1357, value of coin $0.30, $1.50, SS 1357. Next is 10 Real coin, minted MS 2535, and the value of coin is $0.50. Next is 20 Real coin, and this coin was minted SS 1352 to SS 1357, and value of coin $0.25. Next is 20 Real coin, minted SS 1353, and the value of coin $1.50. Next is 20 Real coin. Reals coin mint in MS 2585, Valley coin $1.50. And next one is this coin, 20 real coin, mint in MS 2535, MS 2536, Valley coin $0.50. Okay friends, I hope you get lots of knowledge today about Iran country coins. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay friends, bye bye, take care, keep collecting. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.